guys, welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. If you guys have not checked out my Ipsyglambag video, I'm gonna stick it somewhere up here in the cards for y'all to go check it out for you, girl. But today I am going to be showing you guys what I got in my Ipsyglambagplus for the month of October. Originally, I was gonna do both videos together, but my glam bag was a little spicy. It was fun. So the video got a little long and I didn't want to make it even longer. So the Ipsyglambagplus is an additional subscription aside from the glam bag. The glam bag for this month was this little black bag with that thing on it. If you want to see what I got inside of it, go check out the previous video. But for today, we're going to talk about the Glambagplus. This bag allows you to get 5 full-size products. You do get to pick 3, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 3 of the full-size products. And for both, you get to do add-ons. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys what's in the bag, and then I'll show you guys what I added on and that was sent to me. So the Ipsyglambagplus retails for $28 plus tax, and Ipsy, regardless of which size you get, you have to pay $1.99 fee. Once you pay that, shipping is free, so it's about $33 for me. Not horrible considering the amount of products that you get and the cost of the products, because let me tell y'all, your girl shops at Sephora's, and I know Sephora's is not the name, it's Sephora. Guys, I used to work there 3 years, I know, but I shop there. I shop at Ulta, and stop be adding up, man. You be like, okay, I'm gonna get these 2 items, $200. Wait a minute. What? So to be able to sign up for a subscription, to be able to try products, save a little bit of a coin, it's worth the risk. Also, though, big disclaimer, I just want to tell you guys that, you know, with paying for the things, you do have to understand that there is a risk when it comes to these beauty subscriptions, regardless of what company it is. It may be a chance you may end up accumulating some of the same type of stuff. If that bothers you, I highly recommend that maybe you just buy products that you want and not really do subscriptions. Or if you do the subscription, cancel it or skip it. Ipsy does have that feature where you can skip. For example, I do Ipsy, I do Allure Beauty Box. This month I skipped it because I saw a lot of products that weren't gonna really fit my skin tone, so I skipped it. It's okay. It didn't mean that I hate Allure or anything like that. It just means that I skipped it. And I also do the AIA Beauty Bundle. I skipped September because I didn't need more skincare, but I got the box for this month. So the point of me saying that is that this video isn't me. I know some, and not knocking the people that may bash Ipsy and all that. I'm just showing you guys what I got. If I see repetition, I'm gonna skip, or I'm just gonna not get it, like cancel it. So anyway, let's get into what I ended up picking up from, hold on. Product ships in this pink mailer. And the bag for the Glambagplus, of course, is all in the spirit of Halloween. I have nothing against Halloween. This purple is actually pretty, and it does matches up well with the bag, the like glam bag. A lot of people hate these bags, but I actually like them. They good for travel. So in the Ipsyglambagplus, like I said, you get to pick 3 items, and then 2 are selected for you. If you don't have to pick. Ipsy can pick for you. So I'm just gonna lay it all out real quick. You do get a card in your Glambagplus like you would in any other one, but the card typically for the Glambagplus don't really say anything on it. It's the exact same card of what was in the glam bag. So the first product that I'm pulling out is called Clarity RX. It is a skincare product. It's a skincare product valued at $60. See, that's why I love bags like this, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I love me some stuff. I love me some luxury stuff, but it's just some stuff I'm just not gonna pay that much for. Especially, I mean, maybe this is a great brand. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to knock it till I try it. But it's the Clarity RX Brighten It 100% lactic acid solution. Gently exfoliate and brighten skin. That is what it looks like. It says 2 ounces or 60 mils is a full size. That is not a lot of product for $60. But I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining. It says, don't let your dark marks and uneven skin tone get you down. Brighten up with this gentle exfoliating toner that enlists the help of alpha hydroxy acid to reduce your dark marks and discoloration for smoother and brighter looking skin that glows. This formula was created by chemists. So maybe my wife will love and appreciate this. I don't know. I'm going to give it to her to check out. We'll see. And it says this brand takes a direct approach to your skin using pure pharmaceutical quality ingredients without any unnecessary and harsh chemical additives. Okay, I'll let the wife try this. As for me, I don't know. I really don't know. We'll see. But out the gate, y'all, that's the freaking value of the bag. The bag is like $30-some. That was $60. I guess we got our money's worth. So the next item is an item that was selected for me, and I'm happy that it was. It is a Fenty Beauty product by Rihanna. I love Rihanna. I love Fenty Beauty. Look, I'm already opening it, and I ain't showing y'all. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer Plus Plumper in Hot Cherry. I don't know why I can't talk. This product retails for $24. I'm losing my light, y'all. I'm losing my light. This is what it looks like right here. Lip gloss, it says make your pout stand out with this sheer red plumping lip gloss that contains a blend of nourishing and conditioning ingredients like shea butter and vitamin E to give you fuller lips while imparting a sheer wash of color to your pout. You can wear it along or over a lipstick. I love the Fenty Beauty packaging. I wear the gloss bombs all the time by themselves. So I'm happy about this. Retails for $24. We're already at like $84. We ain't even got to count no more. The value of the bag has been met. So the next 3 items I apparently selected. So we're going to start off with this one. I don't remember selecting this, but it's called Shades by Stan, the setting spray. I really don't remember selecting this, but whatever. It retails for $28. It's a 8 milliliter. It's full size. All these products are full size, guys. I keep saying it. It says a few quick spritz of this lightweight facial mist would help set your makeup for up to 12 hours of smooth, flawless wear. Seriously, it's all thanks to the water-based, alcohol-free formula that is full of skin-loving hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng extract that helps visibly minimize pores and leave a soft, focused finish. The packaging is really nice and sleek and cute. I do like that. So I'm sorry about my lighting, and I really don't feel like getting up and getting my big ring light. I thought this little one was gonna let me be great, but it's not. We have 2 more products. So I know for a fact I picked this. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunner Lip Paint. I used to have a ton of these when I worked at Sephora, and somehow they disappeared. But this Stunner Lip Paint is in uncensored. It retails for $26. And it says this vivid red lipstick feels weightless on lips, dries down to a soft matte finish, won't flake or settle into fine lines, and lasts for up to 12 full hours without fading. So I'm actually going to swatch this one so y'all can see. I absolutely love the Fenty brand of makeup. I hate my light. My light. There we go. So we're going to let that sit there. We're going to let that sit there and marinate. But I love Fenty. So I was able to get 2 Fenty Beauty products for the cost of $32. So that makes me really happy. I always feel like you can never have enough Fenty. You can never have enough. So, and then the very last product that I most definitely picked, I've been on a makeup brush kit, y'all. I don't know what my deal is, but every time Ipsy have makeup brushes, I'm getting them. I don't know what my deal is, like, for real. So this is the iconic London Caught My Eye Essential Brush Set. It does come in this dust bag situation. This dust bag feels really nice. You get 4 brushes. It retails for $40. Okay. Full size 4 brushes. It says you're in luck. The brush set has literally every tool you could possibly need to create any eye look. The ultra soft vegan bristles help blend, buff, and shade for flawless application every time. They have white handles. And I'm going to feel. Oh, they soft. Yeah, they soft. So I am super excited about these brushes. Now my add-ons, so I can wrap this video up before I lose all my light. When I saw these add-ons, I was just like, I gotta grab them. So I was introduced to this brand, Commodity by Allure Beauty. And I don't have this scent. This scent is the Commodity Velvet. It's literally a unisex fragrance company. And I've been really loving their stuff. So I got the scent in Velvet. And let's see. I didn't want to spray it down there. That smells good, y'all. That smells really good. Yes, this is what it looks like. It's very nice and sleek. I want to say the full size retail for like $125 because I have another Commodity fragrance. And let me just tell y'all. And then the next item I got was another brush set. Like when I tell y'all, I don't know why I keep getting these brush sets, but I do. So this is from Luxy Beauty Glitter and Gold brush set. This brush set retails for $85, but I think I only paid like maybe 12 bucks for it. First off, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, period. It's gorgeous. So you get 8 brushes. It's a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. And I've always wanted Luxy brushes, so I'm excited to play with these. And yeah. And then the last thing that I got was, I've been seeing these little brushes. This is called the Farrah Palm brush. And it's just a little brush that you use to do your foundation. And it retails for $15. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I'll try to put prices. It feels really good. This is what it looks like right here. Like, it's legit a really dense foundation brush for you to just, you know, get in there. It says it's made with high quality and cruelty-free synthetic bristles. This dual end brush can be used to contour. As you guys can see, it has the pointy end. Your favorite features with precision and blend harsh lines like a pro. So it says it's a multitasker, so you could use it with both cream and powder. And so Farrah is a pretty, I'm not gonna say, I guess I could say luxury. It's a pretty nice brand of brushes. So, and it says this, on the box it says this soft to touch foundation brush is made from dense firm. So it helps with the applications and it fits right in the palm of your hand. So yeah, so that is what I got from Ipsy this month, y'all. Oh, I wanted y'all to see this lipstick dried down. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So yeah, that's what I got this month. I'm super excited about every single thing that I got. It was a win for me. I know some people may not have the same experience as I have with Ipsy, but so far it's been wins. I have had a few products where I'm like this, I'm a debate about it. I'm real ticky about my skincare, but we'll see. I'm open to trying new things. I'm open to that. So guys, please let me know down in the comment section below, what was your favorite item that I unboxed from my Ipsyglambag? Did you like the add-ons? Let me know. And I thank y'all so much for watching and rocking with me. Until our next video, please remember to like, comment, but most importantly, subscribe. And thank you guys so much.